the forward strap is secure. Copy that. Ready for tension.
The Grumman F4F Wildcat, salvaged from the deep, returns to the surface. Its condition offers a unique glimpse into the past.
Starboard wing secured.
Copy that. Moving to the tail section.
All clear, bring her up slowly.
This F4F Wildcat, salvaged from the Pacific, represents years of history we are committed to preserving.
Look at the state of that fuselage. We've certainly got our work cut out for us. All right, let's get the cradle secured and move it inside carefully.
This Wildcat, pulled from the deep Pacific, represents a monumental challenge. The marine growth alone has taken...
This F4F Wildcat is one of the most significant finds in decades. As you can see from the corrosion and marine growth, she spent years on the seabed.
We have to be extremely careful with the pressure here. We want to clean the salt off, but keep that original faded paint intact. The first step is crucial. We use low-pressure fresh water to carefully wash away the accumulated salt and marine...
Look at the extent of this pitting near the cowling.
Mm-hmm. Yes, the saltwater exposure was significant here.
Give it everything you've got. There she goes. Clear the mount. Take it up easy on the hoist. Easy now. Bring it down slowly.
Looks aligned on this side.
All right, lock it down. We need to cross-reference the manifold schematic. The tolerance is critical on this section. Okay.
I have the corresponding part here in crate 7.
Check the seam right here.
Yeah, I see that spot. We should mark it.
Check the leading edge here. Looks smooth, ready for paint. How about the cowling?